Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is that you are watching this video. It is Philly Fan from Sports Gambling Daily, back with another free NBA video lean today. On the hardwood, it's going to be for Thursday, March the 4th, 2021. We got this fantastic matchup between the Milwaukee Bucks and the Memphis Grizzlies. The Milwaukee Bucks are 6-point favorites on the road. We have an over-under total of 235 points. The Bucks this year are 21-14 overall, 17-18 against the spread, and in their last 10 ball games, they are 5 wins and 5 losses. Not seeing anything specific, at least early on the injury front. They look pretty clean as of the moment. Again, Memphis is getting 6 points at home. Their record total is 16-15 overall, 17-14 against the spread, and in their last 10, they are 6-4. It looks like Kyle Anderson will be available, and Grayson Allen is listed out. That's what I'm showing so far. Obviously, like I always say, we got to monitor those situations and see if there's anything else that possibly come up. You know, with the All-Star game looming, occasionally a team will want to sit some players just to give them an extra day off or an extra couple of days off. So got to monitor that. But I'm giving you what I pretty much know right now. The Bucks for me, obviously, they're 21-14. They're a good team. They just are a little bit Jekyll and Hyde this year. They're hard to get a read on. They'll play absolutely lights out one game, and then they'll look completely lost another game. I know Drew Holiday was out. Him being back certainly helped some. But if you look at their last 10 games, they're 5-5. They're kind of all over the place and zigzagging. And Memphis is playing pretty well. They're 3 games over 500 against the spread. They're a game over 500 overall, and they're 6-4 in their last 10. So my early lean is going to be Memphis plus the points at home. I'm going to take them plus 6, and I'll also lean over 235. But like I always say, guys, do your due diligence before you lock in any wagers. And best of luck with whatever you decide to do today. If you like content like this going forward, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. And if you're interested in joining the free private group, the link is in the description. Again, your boy Philly Fan, Sports Gambling Daily for Thursday, March 4th, 2021. Peace.